So I've featured this brand a couple of times, and it seems like their designs continue to get more and more outlandish. I've been told that this is an Elon Musk commemorative phone, Elon Musk inspired phone. Why don't we find out what that all means as we jump inside the box here. So just like before, caviar, royal gift, and we have this leather box. It's all very luxurious. You pay many thousands of dollars for these extravagant devices. I lift the lid, and all of a sudden I already know something is different here. Caviar space gift is what it says on the inside of the cushioned case from their space series. And yeah, that's that. Musk be on Mars, Elon Reeve Musk, and a signature. Does this have a piece of Mars? I don't know. What is that little dab right there? Is it cobalt, or? This is a very unique and special phone. I mean, obviously we have the Elon Musk signature and the label there, but we've also got this spaceship blasting off from Earth. Of course, that's a commemorative aspect for SpaceX, one of Elon Musk's companies, and of course, his target happens to be Mars. As I look around this device, individual design for unbox. Look at that. Individual design for unbox, so that's a custom just for us. This particular design is actually based on an iPhone 11 Pro. They are going to be doing an updated version for the iPhone 12 Pro, as you would expect. Mylar foil is the artifact that's inside of this particular device, and it was flown aboard SpaceX CRS-14, CRS-17, and International Space Station. So this was part of the actual liftoff. Now that's becoming kind of cool as far as a commemorative item is concerned. It orbited for several days before docking with the International Space Station on 4th April 2018. The payload returned to Earth aboard the SpaceX CRS-17 Dragon on the 4th of June 2019 and landed at 21:48:38 UTC. The mission lasted 14 months, 1 day, 1 hour, 18 minutes, 0 seconds from the moment of liftoff until splashdown. The payload traveled over 175 million miles during its flight aboard the ISS. The Mylar foil was used as a separating agent within the payload so that the contents did not stick together permanently. So they purchase that particular material and then break it up so that it can be used in each commemorative unit that they do. They do a very limited number of these phones, obviously. The Certificate of Authenticity International Certificate, the Caviar iPhone 11 Pro Discovery Musk be on Mars 64. This is one of one. This particular unit, because it's made of hardened titanium. So as far as other items in the box, it's a typical iPhone experience. I wonder if Elon Musk even knows that this phone exists. Shout out to Elon Musk if you happen to see this. Do you know this phone exists? Did they correspond with you in advance? Maybe you'd like to own it in order to encourage your future travels and your ambition as far as reaching Mars is concerned.